One.
Good morning, everyone.
Anita ji, thank you for joining us right on time. लेकिन अभी we are only about 35, तो 5 मिनट इंतजार कर लें बस 5 मिनट ना, because so that I'm going to write on the group district chairman is here. तो पता है क्या होता है, पता नहीं इस समय no one will read, they will join us later, so no point in writing.
उर्वशी जी प्लीज लिख दीजिए, क्या पता कोई करके जल्दी आ जाए तो
Giving this duty to you, write on the group. Thank you.
Then I will write. Yeah.
हाँ रेणुका, हाँ हाँ बोलो.
Hello, good morning everyone. Good morning Urvashi ji.
Morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
तो कैसा लग रहा है? Enjoy कर रहे हो काम?
Oh, it's real fun.
बहुत बड़ी
Especially आप सब.
सेक्रेटरीज की.
Good morning Anita ji.
Good
Good morning
morning.
Anita ji.
अनीता जी, नई नई चीजें सीखने में मजा आ रहा है. To be very honest.
Absolutely.
Everyone is learning every day. Everyone.
Good morning, Anita ji. Good morning, Urvashi ji.
Hello ji, good morning.
Hello Ashla ji.
Hello ji. Hello, Urvashi. How are you?
Good morning Urvashi ji.
Good morning.
I would also like to say
Anita ji.
और
Hi,
ऐसे
Urvashi
learning वाले
ji.
webinars
Hi.
होते रहे.
हेलो सीमा जी, भाई हमारा होम क्लब.
Hi, Anita ji.
नमस्कार सीमा जी.
मैंने कहा मैं भी तो थोड़ा सा ज्वाइन कर ही लूं सेक्रेटरी
अरे
के साथ.
प्लीज
थोड़ा सा तो पूरा करें ना.
पूरा. आज क्योंकि आपको हम लोग नहीं बोर करेंगे. Let's see. Technical team must be hearing. Let's see how we like grade them.
उर्वशी जी, उर्वशी जी, एक तो ये था कि मैं सीखेंगे कुछ, और मेन प्राइम रीजन था कि आप सबसे मिलेंगे.
Very true. So very true. Thank you.
She's saying आज हम
सीमा जी के तड़के के बिना कोई मीटिंग पूरी नहीं होती.
अनीता जी, उर्वशी जी, हमको तो रोज मिलने का मन करता है आपको.
Hi Nanny, my home club again.
Yes, hello
Now
Nanny.
my home club.
Hi dear.
हेलो नैनी. हेलो.
आप लोग तो सब इतना तैयार हुए. I am not ready.
मिलने का मन करता है.
हेलो नेहा.
कोई जरूरत नहीं है नैनी, तैयार होने की.
Oh, thank you.
You're so pretty.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Not able to spot. अच्छा हाँ नैनी, yes. भाई
Hello Urvashi ji.
we announced it here. हम लोग बद्रा बहार पे अभी 2 मिनट है. लेट मी क्विकली से इट. बहुत दिन से सोच रहे कहाँ बोले. That day we had gone to district chairman's home club, hometown फरीदाबाद for practice of बद्रा बहार. Trust me, मतलब कोई इतना किसी के लिए कैसे कर सकता है. I came back wondering, और अभी भी दिमाग में वही चलता. How can someone do so much? District chairman once again for making our day. It was like Sajan Boat पे कुछ हो रहा था. वो flowers, petals से welcome and everything. I mean,
it was really very good, very good.
नैनी ना पता जैसे सोई नहीं थी जब हमारे.
Urvashi ji, we all missed it. We all missed it.
I know Anita ji भी missed it.
नैनी देख लो भाई. सुन
We
लो.
all secretaries have to meet, you know, Anita ji once. Anita ji.
Anita ji, one secretaries meet also there.
हाँ, I know, we should have it.
I'll just request something.
Physical meet.
The technical team said the person who's going to explain the app to us, they are in a उन लोगों के appointments होते हैं. They would have already scheduled their day. So let's start. 2-4-5 मिनट की जो भी quick the formalities we will do, and by the time we hope कि लोग join कर जाएंगे. And they told me something very nice. They will be giving us a YouTube link. Through that, if there's something which we haven't understood, we can go through later. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
That is good.
Perfect.
Good.
Yeah.
Let's unmute ourselves. Mute ourselves now, है ना?
मुझे और अनीता जी को थैंक यू. टेक्निकल टीम हम लोगों को अनम्यूट छोड़ देना. Hare Krishna. Warm inaugural greetings. Charming, always so beautifully dressed District Chairman Anita ji. My strength, club secretaries, team 21-22, and club presidents, strength of district chairman और strength of entire district 301. आप ही लोग आंख नाक कान हाथ सब हैं. So thank you for joining us today. And before we start, let's invoke Lord Ganesha. वैसे तो गणेश जी की ब्लेसिंग सबको चाहिए होती है, but we especially need because this app was introduced on Falak 9th of July, but something or the other happening. So today after this KT knowledge training, we all intend to go at full speed. So let's all invoke and take blessings of Lord Ganesha और भगवान जी भोलेनाथ का सावन के महीने में. So can we have the video of Ganesh Vanna?
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
भोले बाबा तेरी क्या ही बात है, भोले शंकरा तेरी क्या ही बात है, दूर होके भी तो साथ है, ओ दूर होके भी तो साथ है. खुद को मैं कर दूंगा तुझको समर्पण, मैं तेरा आंसू हूँ तू मेरा दर्पण, तेरे ही होने से मेरी ये सारी जिंदगी सजी है. लागी मेरी तेरे संग लगी ओ मेरे शंकरा, लागी मेरी तेरे संग लगी ओ मेरे शंकरा, लागी मेरी प्रीत तेरे संग मेरे शंकरा, लागी मेरी प्रीत तेरे संग मेरे शंकरा.
Thank you, Neelam and Manita, for setting the tone and for such a beautiful performance. Now, this I have heard from my seniors about inner wheel prayer. The more we say it, the more we imbibe it. So, anyone who would want to do the inner wheel prayer today? Okay, let's have it from Achla ji. Can I please request Mohit to unmute Achla ji? Yeah.
मित्र भाव के सत्य अर्थ को हम सब में है ईश्वर भर दो, हम सब ही हैं तेरे बालक, भूले ना यह इतना कर दो. धर्म और संस्कृति भेदों का मन में नहीं स्थान रहे, सभी मानवों की सेवा का हमें सदा ही ध्यान रहे. आवश्यकता हमें मदद की हो सकती है याद रहे, सेवा करने की जरूरतें जहां कहीं भी आन पड़े, सेवा करने को सब जन की तत्पर हम सब डटे रहें. इनर व्हील की शान बढ़ाएं यह वर हमें प्रदान करो, मानव जीवन व्यर्थ न जाए प्रभु यह कृपा प्रदान.
Thank you, Ashla ji. At this point, I would like to say something else also. In fact, this issue was discussed last year during district executives that what to do, whether to fold hands or keep them on our left side while doing the prayer. So we all decided क्योंकि इसमें हम भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं, तो इसमें inner wheel prayer में we can have our hands folded. Our national anthem like this. Now, before we proceed further, I take this opportunity to thank all club presidents for joining. We are all called husband and wife jodi in inner wheel. So whether you are husband or wife, that is debatable. This is a age of women empowerment. So if I call husband wives, that is okay. And if I call them husband president, so debate ho jata hai. So whatever the role we will decide later. But thank you for joining because the secretaries need all your support. And this application will be done with full justice only when you support. So thank you for taking out your precious time and being here. Now it's a small presentation on husband-wife jodi. We have many more in the line, but that will be after the session because tech team is in a hurry. So Mohit, can you play that chota sa clip on husband-wife?
ये तेरा घर ये मेरा घर, किसी को देखना होगा तो पहले आके मांग ले मेरी नजर तेरी नजर.
ये तेरा घर ये मेरा घर,
ये घर बहुत हसीन है,
ये घर बहुत हसीन है,
ये घर बहुत हसीन है.
Oh my
Husband,
God,
wife.
Urvashi. My Miss Creative Urvashi Mittal. Love you
so much. एक गाड़ी के दो पहिए, दोनों के बिना गाड़ी चल नहीं सकती. So thank you all the presidents for being here. Thank you, District Chairman Anita ji, for asking your presidents to join to make it a complete success. Now, it's about the app. So before we go further, what is it? How was it introduced? Can I request Mohit to please play that short video on the app? While the great ones take a break for their dinner, Secretary stays on, growing thinner and thinner, wrecking her brains to record and report what she thinks that they ought to have thought. काम बहुत है, पर मशीन भी तो नहीं बनना है. इनर व्हील, घर और एंजॉयमेंट तीनों में ही बैलेंस करना है. Because all work and no play makes Jill a dull girl. So I present Secretaries Act, F for Sec, to reduce this burden on club secretaries and make them more efficient. I call upon Dynamic District Chairman Anita Jain and esteemed Association President Saroj Katia to release this act. Thank you, Mohit. Before handing it over to you, friends, this app has to be like, you have to sign up first and then sign in, because this is app for secretaries. So I would request each and every club, whether the president is signing up or the secretary by herself, they must sign up through secretary's number. Whosoever has the passcode which is designed by the club, they will be able to access. And if the secretary's number is not being used to sign up, if president wants to use her number or any other number, I request you to intimate please me and Anita ji both, so that we know which club the number is not secretaries. Thank you. Anita ji, Mohit, can you please highlight our district chairman? Both of us on the screen? Okay. Anita ji, will you like to say something now in the beginning? A line of motivation? And afterwards your observation, obviously. Yeah. Baad mein?
Yes, after
okay.
session.
Mohit, over to you.
Hello everyone. This is Mohit here. Good afternoon to everyone. So I'll be starting with the app. So let me share my screen so that you can better understand. I'll give you a walkthrough of the whole app. Give me 1 second. Yeah. So I hope you can see the screen, phone screen, if it's fine for you. Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Before starting the walkthrough, I'll just if you have any doubts throughout the session, or if you want to ask anything, you can simply drop a message in the chat box. Once the whole KT is over, we'll answer all your questions. We'll make sure that every question is answered. And we, so that if there is any other queries or anything that you want to know or you need help in, so we'll be happy to answer those.
KT's knowledge training.
Yeah.
Yes, Mohit.
So, okay, I'll be first starting with the app. So this is the first page of our app. So here we, as you can see, there are two options. This is like, one is continue as a guest and sign in as club or admin. So if there's anyone else other than the club or the member or someone else who wants to see what is the work done by the Inner Wheel Club District 301, they can click on the continue as a guest option, and then you see this page popping up. So in the top side, you have your poster, all the important logos and all the notice boards. So here everything is that if there is any upcoming event or something else, it will pop up, it will be updated accordingly. And under that, you can see buttons such as search by event, search by project, search by committee. I'll be going to this later on. Before that, I'll be showing you the, here you can also see the figures. So when you log in as a guest, you can see all the figures. This is the total amount spent by your district. It's not the amount spent by individual club. It's the total amount spent by district, the total beneficiaries the district was able to reach, the total projects done, the total events done, and total hours spent on project. These are some stats, and this keeps updated once someone uploads a project or does an event or spends some amount, and they input the data. So the app refreshes the amount, and the amount gets updated after each time. So first, we'll be going for search by event. So when we click on search by event, you can see there are certain cards like structure that it comes up. So I'll tell you, for example, we'll take care of the, go for the first one. So you can see the first is on the top, we can see felicitation of doctors. So that's the name of the event or the name of the project. And then under that, you can see the club name. in this case, it's Innerville Club of Noida. And then you can see the date and the venue as well. So once you click on the arrow mark, which is on the right side of the card, you can go ahead and you can see all the details of the project in a very good manner. And you can see the pictures in down as well. So we have in the details, we have the name of the club, we have the name of the event, we have the level of event, which is club level, as a district level, or is it association level, international level, whatever level that the event was held. And then we have the committee name, total amount spent, the venue, and the awareness, whether was it an awareness event or was it a normal event. We can see also that here you can see it's written no, so which means that it's not an awareness event. And then we have the date of the event, the total attendees, and the remarks, and the picture of the event as well. So now we'll go back. So here you can search for event as well. For example, let's see, we can search installation ceremony. So you can search, once I search installation ceremony, all the events which were of installation pops up. So you can click on any one of those which you want to know, and you can go through all the details of the same as well. So we can press back and same. So now that was search by event. So after that, we have the next is search by project. So once you click on search by project option, you can see a lot of projects which was done by all of the clubs have popped up automatically. So it has the same format, which is for the search of events as well. So let me go for one. For example, the first one, the name of the project is Plantation, and it was done by Innerville Club of Delhi Raisin Hills. So, and then the date and the venue. So let me click on the card, and I think now you can see all the full information of it, which is the total amount spent, the venue, whether it's awareness project, total hours, and the date of the event, total attendees, beneficiaries, and additional remarks and pictures as well. So you have to remember one thing, when you join as a guest, you are not allowed to edit or add anything. All you can do is you can search and go through all the events and the projects which are uploaded by the club secretaries or the club members who have the login ID password. Okay, and next on the third in the search details, you can see search by committee. So what is search by committee? So in search by committee, you can search projects done under each committee. For example, if I go under education committee, I can see in education committee, there are projects or events done. So when I click on the projects on the top, I can see project was done by education committee of IWC of Delhi West End and then Greater Noida. And if I want to go and learn about more of it, then I can click on some anything of it. For example, there is a project done by Innerville Club of Ghaziabad. So I click on it. So now I can see the total information regarding it, and I can also see the pictures uploaded along with it. So let me go back now. So after this, we have all the committees mentioned here. So you can click on any of the committee, and then you can see events and projects on the top. So you can click on the events list or the projects list in order to go through and find the find the projects or the events done under those committee. Next, on the top left side, we can see 3 buttons, which is the menu bar. So when you click on the menu bar, certain options pop up. You can see the first one is Innerville District 301 Committee. So once you click on that, you can find the district patrons and you can find the committee members and pictures on it. And when you press back and you click on the menu, the second option that we have is refer. So what does refer Innerville app means? So for example, you as a club secretary, you want to refer the app as you like the experience and you wanted, and you saw that it was making your life easier and you want to refer it to another of your club secretary in the same district. So you can click on the WhatsApp button and then the WhatsApp opens up and you can select the contact and send them the app immediately. And same goes with Facebook and Instagram. And then on the last, you can see 3 dots. When you click on that, there all the apps which support sharing the app will pop up. You can click on any one of those. You'll receive a link which will have the link to download the app and use the app. So those people whom you have referred can download the app now. So this is what refer Innerville IWD 301 app means. So we'll go back to the main page. And now in the third option that we have, that is About Us. So in About Us, you can know more about the app and the Innerville District 301. So we have a short text written over here. So you can go through it and you can know more about it. Going back, after that, so this is all we have for the guest login. So the guest doesn't have any power to edit any project or add any project, but he or she has the power to view all the projects and events done by all the clubs in the district. And as I said, I'll repeat again, you can also see the total amount spent by the district, the beneficiaries, the projects done, events done, and the total hours spent. And these all will get updated once you start uploading your projects on the app. So after that, we'll go back to the main page. So now I'll be speaking about the club logins. So as you all will be logging through club logins, so let me first show you one thing. Okay, so once you open the app, for example, this is the main screen. You open the app, this screen pops up. This will pop up to you for the first time, because once you log in, after that, the app automatically logs you in. So you don't have to put your ID and password again and again. So let me just sign in as a club. So once you click on sign in on club, you will be redirected to this page, which asks for your mobile number and password. So if you have already created your account, then you can put in your credentials, your mobile number that you created, that you used while creating your account, and same as the password. So for the new time users who are going to sign up for the first time, you can see in the down it's written your first time here and sign up. So once you click on that, this page pops up. So what you have to do is you have to type in your full name. So let me type in a name. So I'll go with XYZ, and then I'll type in my mobile number. And for example, there's a list of the clubs of all the clubs present in the district. So let me click any one of them. And then I'll write my district number. And I'll write my password. So here, while setting up your password, you have to take care of something. So for example, I keep my password as A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So you can see a small I button down there. So once you click on the I button, you can see the password pops up in the text format. So I advise you, while you create your account, click on that I button so that you can see your password, you can see your mobile number, you can see your name, you can see your club name and the district number. And if possible, click a screenshot and keep it with you. The reason being, this is one of the main information that will be requiring later on to sign in. So having this information handy will help you if you ever forget your password, if there is anything you forget, yeah, which name did I log in, or what is the password I put in. So this screenshot will help you guide through it so that in future, so there will be no problem or issues regarding it. So once you click on filling all the details and you sign up, I'll just put in a number. Give me 1 second. So once I put in my number, I think, yeah. So you can see you are registered success and you will be approved within 24 hours. So this is the notification first you'll get when you put in all your details. Because once you put in all your details, it goes for approval to the admin. In this case, Urvashi ma'am and Anita ma'am are the admin of the app. So they will let you into the app. They will just verify your information. They'll cross check, okay, there's no 2 accounts present in the same name, or any other thing that they will have to check. Once the admin approves, you can log in again. So this will be mostly done within 24 hours. So once you put in all your information, an immediate notification goes back to the admin, and admin can immediately approve you, or within a day. I think he or she, my ma'am, must be checking every day. So ma'am must be approving it to by the end of the day as well. So, okay. So then I'll just log in with a club account. I'll just log in with a dummy account so that I can show you how everything works under the club app. So let me just log in. Give me 1 second. I just put in my mobile number that I had registered with ma'am at first. And then I put in my password. And I said, as I said, the I thing, So once you click on that, I can see my password. So it makes sure ki, okay, this is the password I had registered with, and with the screenshot, I can compare it and then make sure that I'm logging with the same ID and password. So, okay, and then I click sign in. So once you click sign in, you can see that you're back redirected to the main page. And now you can notice something. This is a dummy account. All the figures here are dummy. It for purpose to show you how everything will look. So you can see initially when we were in the guest account, we used to see a large number, which was in total amount spent. But here we can see a very small number. That's around 96,244, and that was around 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs. I don't remember. So the reason is when you log in with a club account, you get to see your own figures. So basically this figure, this total amount spent, means the total amount spent by your club and not by the district or not by any other club. So once you log in with your club account, you can see the total amount spent by your club, the total beneficiary that were benefited, and the total projects done, the total events done, the total hours spent on projects. These are the small stats that you can see. And every time you upload a new project or upload a new event, this stats get automatically updated. If it doesn't get updated, just don't panic, because it may be of internet issue or something. You can just turn off your app and just log in again, or turn it on again, and you can see it has been updated already. Okay, so and at the top it's the same. We have the notice board kind of thing, and here we have all the important logos or your social project, your theme, the app name, and everything. And under that, we have the search by event, search by project, and search by committee, as I showed you in the guest login. So this search by project and event and committee is same as the guest login, because as in the guest login, here also you can see the events done by all the clubs and the projects done by all the clubs. It's not restricted to your own clubs. I'll later on tell you how to find the projects or events done by your own club and how to fill the data as well. Okay, so the same format goes here as well. If I want to know something about a project, for example, here is a ration distribution by Innerville Club of Indrapuram. So I'll just click on the card, and then all the information pops up, and I can also see the pictures as well. So, and once I press back, I go back to the list. And if there is anything I want to search, for example, let me search plantation. Okay, I find plantation been done by a lot of clubs. For example, let me go to Innerville Club of Delhi Scenic Farms. So I can click on that. I can click on all the information. I can find all the information that they have done. What's the venue, what's the date of the event, attendees, the amount spent, and everything else. So same goes by search by committee. Everything is divided and categorized. All the projects and events are categorized by the committee name. So if I click on any committee, so the events done under those committees, for example, here under Family Welfare, Child Rights and Community Health Committee, I can see there was a Teeth celebration done by Innerville Club of Faridabad Central. And then there was already an event done by Innerville Club Delhi Achievers as well. And the projects, I can click on the projects, I can see those as well. So then I can go back. So everything here on the main page is same as you have seen on the guest login. The only difference that here I'll repeat is the amount spent, and all the figures are for your club and not for the district. So these are specific to your club. Here, the difference where you can find on the club login is on the top left side, the menu bar. When you click on it, now you see there are a lot of other options there. There were in the previous one, there were only the refer option, about us, and about the committee. But here you can see your profile. For example, I'll click on profile. So once I click on profile, I can see my full name, my mobile number, the club name, the club formation name. All the information here are dummy information. So these all will be deleted. These all are just help here for illustration purposes so that you can understand better. So I can see all my information for my charter number, president name, treasurer name, editor name, and everything, club formation date as well. So I click back. So this is what we found out in profile. And then the second option that we go is add event. For example, there was a district assembly that was held, and you have attended the event. So you have to—
Mohit, 1 minute, sorry, I'll just interrupt. Someone has written, why is the screen so blurred? I mean, I can't see anyone's screen right now. Is it the problem with most people who are attending? Either unmute everyone, let us hear from them, because someone has written his screen is blurred.
Put it in chat, we'll just look at it.
Okay. I mean, if there's anything at your end, just, I mean,
sometimes,
please.
yeah, I just figured it out. So yeah, I can see some people are facing the issue. I think you, yeah, and someone can see it clearly. So it actually depends on the internet connection that you are in. If it's a mobile data, there might be some issues. The screen might go blurry sometimes because it all depends on the mobile network. And if it's a Wi-Fi, more stable network, so I think you can see it more clearly.
So look good. Quite a few people have written. They can see clearly. So that sets the doubt at rest. Carry on.
So let me go back. Yeah. So on the menu option, when I click, you can see the first thing that we are going to do is, let's say, add an event. So what does add an event mean? For example, I have there's a district assembly that has been hosted and you have attended the event. So I want to take in the information. Okay, our club has attended the event of district assembly. Let's see. So let us write the name of the event. I'll just write it name of this district assembly. Then the next option that is select the level of event. So being the district assembly, it's a district level. So I click on district level and then select committee.
Would you first tell them that to select level, which place they have to click? Can you go back to the previous screen? You just forgot that point. Just tell them that they have to click here.
Okay.
They have to click on this arrow here.
And select level. You can see there is a drop down menu. Basically, there's no field to input, because once you click on the district level, there's an arrow side and you can see it's highlighted right now. Once you click on that, it just pops up. So you can click on international level, whether it's a conference that you have attended, whether it's an association level or a joint club level, or it's a club level event. So you can click on different options. So whatever the level of event it is, you can click it accordingly. And same goes with the committee name. You can see there's an arrow mark near the committee name as well. So once you click on the committee name arrow, you can see all the committees. So you can find out all the committees. For example, I'll just write, I was part of the event coordination committee for the assembly. So I clicked on event code, IW promotion and media and event coordination committee. Okay, so and then I go out filling out the whole details. Let the amount spent be 1,000 and the venue being everything being online. So I write it Zoom. And on the event date, when you click on that, you can see on the event date as well, we don't have a field, because once you click on event date, there's a calendar pops up. So what you can do is you can choose which month is it. So let's go with July 1st. So I go on July and click on July 1st and I press OK. So now the date has been updated to the 1st of July of the event being hosted, and the total attendees is 500. So I'll write it down. So in the remarks, I'll say it was an honor hosting the event. So you can write anything here, but you have to take care of certain things here. I'll just let you know that as well. Okay, so this wasn't an awareness event, so I won't click check. But if it was an awareness event, for example, you've educated 10 people on how to use Zoom, so that was an awareness event, something like that, you can click on that checkbox. So this makes sure to show that the event that you hosted or attended was an awareness event that you did. For example, maybe it's for COVID or something else. So I'll just uncheck that. Here you can upload picture. You can take a photo or select it from gallery. You can click any of the further listing that appears on it. And then you can do the same. I'll just not upload any pictures here. So after that, I'll write submit. 1 second. Yeah.
Someone was asking how to add an event. It is that part.
Yeah. So once I clicked on the submit, you can see it says my event is added successfully. So this notification pops up. So even if this notification doesn't pop up, that means that there is something wrong that you have entered. Maybe I'll just say what all things you have to take care. Let me go back. I'll go back to the same screen so you can understand. For example, here in the remarks section, we encourage you to not use emojis and everything. The reason being, these all will be printed in the report format, which is more of a professional way. So we wanted to keep it short and crisp, which will be more professional, because so that the report of the event, all the projects that we will be going to export, and I'll be showing you how to do that in the next few minutes, it will sound more professional and will be more useful, and can be understood with a wide range of people. So you can use full stop, you can use comma, you can use semicolon. Those all things are fine, but it's better not to use forward slash because that doesn't come for in anywhere the punctuation something, and that may create issue. And if there is anything that you have forgot, for example, I wrote everything, but I didn't choose the level of the event, then it will ask me to fill in the level of the event so that the whole process can be completed, so that every field is perfectly filled up. So I'll go back. So now I had added an event previously. Okay. So you can see there's a thing written my events on the menu bar. So once I click on my events now, and I can see all the events that I had entered. Let me search for district assembly that I had entered.
Just a second, friends. To enter, you have to go to add project or add event, and to see it, what you've entered, then you have to go to my projects. आपको जो भी देखना होगा, एडिट करना होगा, डिलीट करना होगा, वो माई प्रोजेक्ट्स पर होगा, एड पर नहीं होगा. हाँ.
Yes. तो आपका माई मैं और एक बात बोल देता हूँ, बेसिकली डिफरेंस मैं बता देता हूँ. So we have already seen add events, and once I'll show you my events. So in add events, you only fill up the data or fill up the new event. Whereas in my events, when you click on it, for example, we'll go to the same district assembly that we filled in earlier. So you can see once we click on filled in the district assembly, you can see previously there were no these options, but here now there are 3 other options there. One is export as PDF.
And this is important. आपकी reports इसी से generate होंगी, इसको आप सुनिए.
Yeah. So there are 3 options. There's export as PDF, there is an edit option, and there is a delete option. For example, there was some reason I want to delete the whole event. So I can click on delete option, and you can see there is notification pops up which says, are you sure you want to delete? To double check it, whether are you sure. Here I don't want to delete, but if you want to delete, then you can click on delete option and the event disappears from the list. Now let's go to edit option. For example, the amount spent I wrote was 1,000, but now I want it to be 2,000 because that was the amount spent actually, and I was wrong about it. So I can click, when I click on edit option, the whole same format of form pops up, but now I can edit the whole amount. It was all pre-filled information, but now I want to make it 2,000. So what I'll do is I'll go back here and I'll make it 2,000 now. But then when you edit the event, you have to again select the level of the event and the committee name. So I'll choose the name, same name and the level of committee, and then I'll update the event. And it says the event is updated successfully. So now the event is updated. Let's see whether our event is updated. Let's go to my events, and then we will go to district assembly, and you can see that now the amount spent comes to 2,000. So the event has been updated successfully. For example, we do a lot of projects, or you guys do a lot of projects or events in a month, but there are certain projects and events that are your favorites. For example, here in my case, the event of district assembly was my favorite. So you can see a small gray star on the right top side. You can see, I think near event details, you can see a right place. What I do, if this is one of my favorite events out of all the 10 events or 20 events or 20 projects I have done, I can click on that and now it turns to golden. So this will help the district executive team and everyone to find out all which are your projects, favorite projects, which are your landmark or important projects or event, and they can value or assess on that. And so, okay, this is the event that I've achieved. And I want to export all its information into a PDF format so that I can share it better with friends, for example. So I think if you go down, you can see an option called export as PDF. So when you click on export as PDF, it says a notification pops up which says PDF created and saved in downloads. So what we'll do is we'll go to downloads now. Let me go to my downloads. I'll refresh it. Okay, now I see there's a report which has popped up, event report. Once I click it, I think now you can see all the information, the name of the event, the level of event, the total amount spent, the venue, the date, the total attendance, awareness or not.
Mohit, I want you to show committee me where all the club names.
So I'm going step by step. So I'll be coming to committee and the projects later on. I'm going for the event first. So we'll come back to the app. So now let me go back. Give me 1 second.
Friends, whatever you are writing in chat box, once this is over, this KT, then all the questions will be taken up one by one.
Yeah.
So if you have even written just your name, that will be called out. And if you've written doubts, that will be taken up by tech team.
Yeah. Give me 1 second. I'll just show with the events, come with the projects again.
क्या हुआ, कुछ hang हो गया क्या?
No, ma'am, I'm just showing. I was just showing the PDFs. I'll make sure I'll go back to the app now. Yeah. So we are back to the app. So we have seen now add event. How do I add an event? For example, there's something else I also take now. For example, there was an event celebration.
Mohit, I'm sure people know it. Unko na they're impatient. They want more time with their questions. So आप इसको quickly run कर लो. एक इनको committee का PDF दिखा के let's go over to the questions now. I'm telling you, ये सब तो add और उसमें आ गया माई में. आप एक committee की report दिखा दीजिए so that they know how in committee all the clubs will come together.
Okay, there are 4 more things I have to show before going there. I think it will cover that as well. So for adding a project, you can see an option add project. So once you click on add project, the same format applies. You fill in all the details, you click the level of the event, the committee name and the venue and everything, the total project did. The only extra thing that you have to add is the total hours and the total beneficiaries. And then after that, once you click on submit, it will submit the project. And here, if we click on my projects, I can see all the projects now. I can see all the projects that have been hosted by my club. If I want to see, click on anything, you can just click on that. So yeah, so I can see all the details. I go back. And for example, now I have my projects. So this is the important part that you have to take care. During this COB, we all need the report of all the projects done. So when you click on my projects, you can see there's an export button on the right hand top side. When you click on the export button, all the projects are now saved in your downloads. So it's a report which automatically gets created. If I refresh, yeah. So a new report comes up. Now you can see everything is divided by committee basis. So all the projects that you do under different committees will now be automatically differentiated and will be put in.
Can you somehow enlarge it, Mohit? Can it be enlarged? Because
sure. So for example, yeah. So here we haven't done any, wait, let me find one way. Okay, for example, there are 2 projects which are under environment protection and animal welfare committee. So with the name, so you can find the name of the projects, the total amount spent here. These are dummy figures that you can see. So all the, for example, and there were some other which were done under the family welfare and some health and hygiene, legal affairs and everything. So you can also see the total amount spent under each committee name, committee. So you can see the full generated report. Here we haven't posted any projects under some committee. So we are seeing blank and total amount being 0. But then the places where we have put in figures under some committee, we can see the total amount spent here.
Mohit, people have actually put in actual projects. So why are we not able to show that?
This is I'm not logging in through someone else's account. I'm logging with
okay.
Account, yeah.
Okay, that was my doubt.
Yeah. So once you start exporting from your own accounts, you can see all the projects and event projects done by your account or different committees, and it will be all filled up. So you don't have to worry about that. Then I'll go back to the app once again. And regarding the favorites, which I had said you, there's another project option which says my favorites. So once you click on that, my favorites, and you select a date, for example, I select from June 1st to August 31st, show events and projects. Let me just click on that. Give me a second. Yeah. Okay. Show events and projects. So if there was any events or projects that I had favorites or added to favorite, these all will be popped down here. So you can see you can click on events and you can click on projects, and those events and projects will pop down.
And these dates have to be filled up.
Yeah. So you have to select time period.
Can you just go back to the previous page? Yeah. I'll just show them the date.
Yeah. So 1 second. Yeah. So you can see,
this start date and end date, this has to be selected. if you want to see particular event or project, then you have to select start date and end date. The moment you click here, the calendar will be displayed on its own. You just have to click. This is absolutely friendly. Once you start doing the things, the screens will open up on their own without you having to bother.
Yeah. So, and after that, the rest of the part is being same. And I would say that you don't need to have to sign out, because once you click on sign out, you have to sign in again with ID password. And the app is designed in such a way that if you sign in for the first time, it will stay there forever. So you don't have to sign in again and again. So I'll tell you one thing more about it regarding the website. So all the iPhone, and if you want to open it on a laptop and everything, you can also open and access all the information that you have uploaded on iw301.com. These are the things, these are the website where you can access all information. So same, I have logged in already, so I can see all my figures.
Friend, this iw301.com.
Yeah.
This is for iPhones.
This is for iPhones. If you want to log in by laptop or tablets or computer, anything, so you can log in with iw301.com. I think you can find the link in the chat box as well, if you see. Yeah, there was someone who's asking, can we sign in with 2 gadgets? Yeah, you can sign in with 2 gadgets. So
all you should have is your password.
Yeah. So make sure you have your passwords ready. So all the issues that you face and everything you face all will be reviewed like in a week, like weekly, once or twice. All the issues and or if you have any other doubts will be reviewed. You can convey them to Urvashi ma'am, and Urvashi will be in constant touch with Urvashi ma'am, and so all those queries will be taken care of. So the process of adding projects, events, and my favorites or exports all are same in the website as well. So you have to click on the same so you can do by search by event, you can see search by project. Everything here is same.
Now, Mohit,
yeah.
If you are done, I would request you to take up questions, please, because I'm sure there are a number of questions people have been writing. So either you go through the chat box.
Okay.
And yeah, you can like show everyone on the Zoom screen, because this is done. Yeah. And you connect better, you understand better when your faces are seen, you are seeing others, and you are listening to someone explaining. So I would like to have this screen now. Yes, and please go through the chat box and take up questions.
Yeah, give me 1 second, ma'am.
Or before we take it through the list, can I ask you on behalf of the people? There are a few. Mohit, my first question is, you had me that there is a, like, if the movie knowledge training दी तो वो password दिखा नहीं, वो save का option नहीं दिखा. Which I have been telling it to them.
Actually, I'm sorry, I was not able to hear your question. Can you repeat, please?
You were telling me the moment you make a password and write there, it shows you the option to save password.
Yeah.
जिससे हर बार password नहीं डालना पड़ता, पर अभी आपने को explain नहीं किया way to save password.
Yeah. So when you do sign up, when you do the whole sign up process in the normal Android phones and iPhone and everywhere, so then there's a notification that automatically pops up which says, do you want to save the password? So you have to
hear everyone.
Password. So what happens once you click on that, your phone remembers your ID and password. So next time when you log in, it automatically pops up. Here in my case, it didn't remember an ID and password because I've already had logged in before and I had already signed up.
Remember correctly.
Yeah.
अच्छा मोहित, अब कुछ लोग अपने पासवर्ड भूल गए हैं.
Yeah.
उनको ध्यान नहीं आता. अब आप उनको बताइए. नेहा and Ashi Singhal and Manju Bograji. I know 3 names at least. जो अभी तक लॉगिन नहीं कर पाए हैं.
जिन लोगों ने पासवर्ड like I think you have forgotten your password or something else, you can pass on to those names, club names, or else you can tell us your phone number which you had logged in. If you had to forget your password, there's a phone number at least, and we'll take care that you will provide you with the password and everything so that you can log in again once back.
अच्छा, यहाँ हमारा आपने हमसे कहा था कि इसमें forgot password का ऑप्शन है, मतलब हमारे ऐप में forgot password नहीं. You will do it at your end. Back end से आप कर देंगे.
So for the next update, we have kept up some things. So we are listening to all your queries and all the problem facing, and we are making sure that we put those into the app. So those things will be taken care of. So I'll go back to the chat box now. Let me go start reading questions.
तो जिन क्लब्स का साइन इन नहीं हुआ है उनका हमें आपको नंबर नाम सब देना है.
Yeah, जिन लोग का जो people who are will be signing up for the first time, you can sign up for the first time. There's no issue. Once you sign up, there will approval request which will receive.
रोहित, यही तो है ना कि वो लोग अपना साइन अप करने के बाद क्या पासवर्ड डाला वो भूल गए ना, they are not able to sign in.
People have already created an account and wanted to know their password. Yeah, you can just let me know their names, the club names, and the phone number will be taken care of.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll start with the question answers which are in the chat box. Let me go one by one.
थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर ऑल द पेशेंस. पर बहुत मुश्किल से ये लोग भी पकड़ में आए हैं, डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन भी इतना टाइम दे रही हैं, तो प्लीज लेट्स मेक फुल यूज ऑफ इट. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर. हाँ जी मोहित, लेट्स स्टार्ट.
Let me say 1 second. It's good morning, all wishes. Yeah. There was a question from Neenu ma'am saying how to calculate hours spent on a project. So ma'am, you don't have to calculate any hours spent on a project manually because the app does that for you. So once you go on your dashboard, once you log in.
अच्छा सॉरी मोहित, दैट इज नॉट योर आंसर, दैट वी विल डिस्कस लेटर. वो हमारा सेक्रेटरी वाला है, वो हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन के साथ कर लेंगे. एक्टिव का क्वेश्चन नहीं है वो, आपको आर एक डिसाइड करके डालना है. ओके मोहित, गो टू द नेक्स्ट.
ओके.
हाँ, एक ने लिखा है नो कमेटी फॉर फेलोशिप एंड कल्चरल. मोहित, हम आपको ये दे देंगे, वो नेक्स्ट आप इसको अपडेट कर दीजिएगा. फेलोशिप एंड कल्चरल
वो वाला भी आ जाएगा.
हाँ, तब तक आप लोग अदर्स में डाल दीजिए. नाउ दिस इज माय रिक्वेस्ट टू एवरीवन, अगर आपको कोई कमेटी अभी नहीं क्लब में डिसाइड हुई, फेलोशिप कल्चरल कमेटीज येट टू बी एडेड, और अगर किसी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए आपकी कमेटी डिसाइड नहीं है तो आप तब तक उसे अदर में डाल दीजिएगा. जब आपकी कमेटी डिसाइड हो जाएगी तब उसको उसमें शिफ्ट कर दीजिएगा. Fellowship and cultural will be added.
There's a question by Lakshmi ma'am which says once I upload a pic I'm not able to delete or change. So as I said ma'am, you can always go to my projects and my events, anything you have done.
रोहित, एक और लक्ष्मी को आप अनम्यूट करो. लेट अस हियर इट फ्रॉम हर. उन्होंने माई प्रोजेक्ट पे जाके डिलीट करने की कोशिश करी या एड प्रोजेक्ट पे डिलीट कर रही हैं?
Find out.
लक्ष्मी, Mohit, can you please unmute her?
Yeah, I've already given her the permission to unmute. I don't think so she's here anymore.
Lakshmi, चलिए कोई बात नहीं, we will tell her that.
हाँ जी मैम, I'm able to listen to you. Hello.
Yeah ma'am, you can say.
अगर डिलीट करना है या एडिट करना है तो आपको फिर माई प्रोजेक्ट पे जाना पड़ेगा. वहां पे ऑप्शन है. तो डिड यू गो टू माई प्रोजेक्ट या आप एड प्रोजेक्ट पर ही डिलीट?
नो मैम, मेरा ये क्वेश्चन था कि एक बार जब मैं फोटो अपलोड कर देती हूँ तो बाय चांस अगर मुझे लगता है कि ये नहीं करनी है, दूसरी करनी है, तो उस वक्त मैं उस फोटो को नहीं डिलीट कर पाती हूँ, वो पूरा प्रोजेक्ट डिलीट करना पड़ता है. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग कि ऐसा कोई बटन है कि सिर्फ वो प्रोजेक्ट हटाऊं, सॉरी पिक हटाऊं और दूसरा पिक डाल दूं?
Under the edit option you can do that, I think, so that will be not an issue. You can try once again on the my projects. You can go on edit and then you can click on the edit option and there you can edit the pictures and everything else.
लक्ष्मी, let's be more specific. आप एड प्रोजेक्ट पर ही पिक को एडिट करने का कोशिश कर रहे हो. देखो, एक बार आपने पिक्चर डाल दी एड प्रोजेक्ट पर तो कुछ भी एडिट नहीं होगा. सब कुछ एडिट होगा माई प्रोजेक्ट पर. तो आप एड प्रोजेक्ट पर ही पिक्चर एडिट कर रहे हो. अच्छा, यहाँ पे अनुभव मित्तल इज टेलिंग कि अनुभा का अभी चैट बॉक्स इतना जल्दी चला गया. शी इज सेइंग कि हमारा माई प्रोजेक्ट पर भी पिक एडिट नहीं हो रहा है. पिक्चर्स कैन नॉट बी एडिटेड ऑन माई प्रोजेक्ट.
वही कहना चाह रही हूँ मैं.
हाँ,
कि माई
मोहित, अच्छा फ्रेंड्स, ओके, दैट इज अ पॉइंटर फॉर द नेक्स्ट अपडेट. मोहित, हमारी माई प्रोजेक्ट्स पे पिक्चर के लिए आप एडिट ऑप्शन रख लीजिए प्लीज.
सिर्फ वो होल प्रोजेक्ट डिलीट करना पड़ता है मैम.
Okay, ठीक है मैम. Take care of that. Take care of the
edit option. Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay. अब एक शैली गर्ग है, she wants to be unmuted. शैली का क्वेश्चन आ रहा है कुछ.
There are a lot of question. I think I should better go with the chat box and then we'll go for the in session. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So there's other thing, how to upload. I think I have Rachna ma'am made you clear how to add a project or add an event or add pictures. And then there's another question from Anjali ma'am. It says, how can I get to know that my project is submitted? As I showed you ma'am, that once you click on the submit option or submit a project or the event, a notification pops up which says that your event or the project is successfully submitted. So that's how you know that your project gets submitted. So there's another question which says, iPhone why does it not accept photos otherwise? So what happens in iPhone at certain times, the photo size becomes very big, but I don't think so that's an issue anymore. That's an issue which has already been solved. I think now if you try, you can upload pictures perfectly. That's not an issue.
नहीं मोहित आईफोन में पिक्चर्स अपलोड हो रही हैं?
Yeah, 1 second. Ma'am, Archie is also here. Hello.
I think because iPhone pics and videos take more space. तो शायद iPhones पे
Normally what we have, because we can't keep pictures of a lot of people because there are a lot of pictures and everything. So there's a limit of the size, image size that we have kept, and iPhone limit size normally exceeds that. So that's the reason you may face the problem. So if you try again, I think that will work for you. And then
iPhone वाले pictures डाल सकते हैं?
हाँ मैम डाल सकते हैं.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Yeah. So there's a lot of question regarding clear. Okay.
एक बार आप चैट बॉक्स में लेने के बाद फिर अनम्यूट कर देंगे, जैसे जिन लोगों के हाथ उठे हुए हैं तब उनके क्वेश्चन ले लेंगे. पूनम जी का उठा है, शैली गर्ग का उठा है.
There's a question with, there's a thing written where how to write half hour in this time spent column. And you can write 30 minutes or 45 minutes. I think that will be more better, because that will be more better to understand as well. Because if you write half hour, that doesn't actually look good as well. So you can write 30 minutes, 45 in terms of minutes.
इसलिए पूछा था कि हम टाइम में आधा घंटा नहीं लिख पा रहे, तो मोहित कह रहे हैं कि आप 30, 40, 50 मिनट में लिख दो.
Yeah, so it's better actually.
ठीक है.
Okay. Regarding all which event will come under which committee or which project or will come under which committee, that
वो तो हमारा काम है, वो हम और अनीता जी के साथ कर लेंगे.
Yeah, so there are many questions regarding that as well. So I just said that.
वो अनीता जी अभी आपको सबको एड्रेस करेंगी. तो आप अनीता जी से अपने डाउट्स पे
So there's a question for, so the report will be separate from each event program or combined can be created. So as I said, if you go to an event under my project or my event, if you go to a project and then click on export, then the report that you'll get is for only that projects. But if you see on your app, when you click on just on my projects, and then there's this list of all the projects that have been done, on the right hand top side, you can see another export button, which is equal to
discussing.
Yeah.
कि ये पूछ रहे हैं क्लब का पूरा रिपोर्ट, मतलब अभी इसकी रिपोर्ट जनरेट हो जाएगी. तो क्लब विल हैव 2 रिपोर्ट्स इन पीडीएफ फॉर्म. अगर आपको एक ही पीडीएफ में चाहिए प्रोजेक्ट्स भी और इवेंट्स भी, अभी वो ऑप्शन नहीं है. अनीता जी उसको हमें क्या, मोहित अभी वो ऑप्शन नहीं है ना. अभी हमारी 2 रिपोर्ट जनरेट हो रही है, एक पीडीएफ प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, एक पीडीएफ इवेंट्स के लिए.
और एक भी ऑप्शन है जो आप अगर सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स को एक साथ कर सकते हैं, जो कमिटी वाइज आपका डिवाइड होके आ जाता है. सो दैट कैन बी
कमिटी वाइज आ जाता है आपका, पर प्रोजेक्ट्स और इवेंट्स की अभी 2 रिपोर्ट्स आ रही हैं, तो उसमें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है अनीता जी. हमारे सारे कमिटी वाइज प्रोजेक्ट्स लिस्टेड है और इवेंट्स अलग है. दैट्स ओके. क्योंकि नॉर्मली अपना चैरिटेबल वर्क तो हम प्रोजेक्ट में डालते हैं ना. इवेंट इज बेसिकली जो हमारी अवेयरनेस टॉक या भी ऐसा हुआ.
Urvashi ma'am, 1 second, I would like to interrupt. Hi everyone. Yes ma'am. Ma'am, answering to the question like how जो 45 minutes or 30 minutes का. So ma'am, we have programmed it in a way that it will be taking only integer number of hours. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि 1 से लेके कोई भी number of hours तक लेगा. So as of now, if your total time of a project is less than 1 hour, for the time being, you please put it as 1 hour. And then in the next project, in the next update, we can add the limit minutes वाला option हम डाल देंगे. तो at the least you can add it as 1 hour. ठीक है मैम?
Okay. अभी ठीक है.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. क्लियर हो गया. अभी 1 घंटे से कम का वो मिनट का ऑप्शन नहीं ले रहे हैं, आवर ही रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे. तो मिनिमम 1 घंटा लिख देना.
The only reason is because if we put as if we have not given that because हम डैशबोर्ड पे टोटल दिखाते हैं in form of number of hours. तो अगर मिनट्स डाल देंगे तो एडिशन नहीं हो पाएगा.
Got it.
Yes.
हाँ.
So I'm going for all the questions.
अरे एक सेकेंड, मोहित हमने कहा था अनीता जी अनम्यूट नहीं हो पा रही है. भाई हमारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन को कैसे अनम्यूट पे डाल दिया?
नहीं मैम,
अनीता जी को तो अनम्यूट कर दो भाई. आई एम सो सॉरी अनीता जी. आप
प्रॉब्लम. थैंक यू मोहित. अब टाइम वाला ऑप्शन हटा ही दीजिए.
कौन सा वाला मैम?
अभी अनीता जी मैं हम लोग बात कर ले कि हमारे ना ये आवाज गलत है, वो पर्सनल सर्विस के आज डलवाएंगे वैसे भी अनीता जी वहाँ पे, लाइक इवन इन दिस पैंडेमिक पीपल वर गोइंग आउट। हाँ, हमारी मीटिंग नहीं हो पा रही थी।
कितना टाइम लगा डजंट मैटर, आपको 10 मिनट में कर रहे हो 2 घंटे, वो टाइम वाला वो
वो मोहित दिस आई टॉक टू यू लेटर, ठीक है अनीता जी से करके आई गेट बैक टू यू आवर का। यस, ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स गो फर्दर।
Okay. There's another question which says beneficiaries, they want to add. So yeah, in the text field of beneficiaries, you have to just add the total number of beneficiaries. You don't have to write anything else. So it also takes an integer figure. So there's like 5 beneficiaries, 10 or 100, 10,000, something like that. So it has to be a number. And then so yeah, the photos can be uploaded by Android and iPhone both. So that's not an issue.
अब अगर सारे चैट बॉक्स में से हो गए तो जिन जिन के हैंड्स रेज किए हैं वन बाय वन वी कैन स्टार्ट।
Another question from Achla ma'am, which says from where to download the app. So ma'am, you can download the app from Android in the Play Store. Ma'am will be sharing the link, and for the iPhone users and the other computer who are using on the computer or tablets, then you can go to IW.
Let me address this. Thank you. अचला जी and all the presidents, एक बार हम लोग अभी एटी के बाद लिंक बार बार सेक्रेटरी ग्रुप में दिया जा रहा है। वी विल बी पासिंग इट ऑन अगेन। आपके क्लब सेक्रेटरीज वर्क कर रहे होंगे, उससे कोई भी ऐप डाउनलोड करके गेस्ट की तरह देख सकते हैं। अगर किसी क्लब के सेक्रेटरी somehow because of any reason are not able to work on it, then we will request president to either start working by themselves or whosoever they agree within their club executive. उनका फोन नंबर डलेगा, आईफोन पे कैसे डाउनलोड करनी है और एंड्रॉइड पे कैसे, that link will be passed on to presidents also one after this session. We were waiting for the session to happen. Yes. Okay, Mohit, go ahead.
There's Richa ma'am who wants to ask something.
अब आप straight directly जिनके हम like who are waving their hands उनको ले रहे हैं one by one.
Yeah.
Chat is over. Okay. But I'm sorry, we will unmute one at a time so that to remove all this confusion. तो एक एक करके आप रिमूव कर दीजिए जिनका आप नाम लेंगे। मोहित, जिनको आपको लगता है।
Ma'am is unmuted right now.
हाँ, रिचा, या।
Namaskar, Anita ji. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Actually, Mohit, I have a question that it's been a while that I have not used the app because I was pretty busy. So now today when I tried to log in the app, it's not opening in my phone.
Okay, so are you on the Android or the iPhone?
Android.
Android. So ma'am, I think you can update the app. The app has been updated. I think it's been a while you have been used. So you can go and update the app and I think you'll be fine.
Friends, once again, at this question, आपको जब भी लगता है आप लॉगिन नहीं कर पा रहे, आप उसको अपडेट कर लीजिए।
Yeah. So basically the app
एंड्रॉइड के लिए अपडेट बहुत इजी है। गो टू प्ले स्टोर एंड अपडेट द ऐप। ठीक है, आप प्ले स्टोर पे जाके आप ऐप अपडेट कर लीजिए एक बार, नहीं तो अनस्टॉल रीइंस्टॉल करके देखिए। अच्छा मोहित, कॉमन क्वेश्चन, जब हम अनस्टॉल रीइंस्टॉल करते हैं तो हमारा डेटा तो वही रहता है ना। आपका सेल खो जाए, गिर जाए, आपका डेटा इंटैक्ट है।
data is protected, that's fine.
डेटा इज इंटैक्ट और ये डेटा आपके फोन पे जगह नहीं घेर रहा। Many of them wanted to know this answer. तो friends, this data is not taking so much of memory. आप कितना इसको खेल सकते हैं, लेकिन जो भी आप डाउनलोड करते हैं मेमोरी में PDF, आप देखिए और उसको डिलीट कर दीजिए। कीप द वन विच यू रियली नीड। वाई, आप जो PDF क्रिएट करेंगे वो आपकी मेमोरी में डाउनलोड हो जाएगा, वो जगह घेरेगा। तो कीप द वन विच यू रियली नीड। आप PDF बनाइए, अपने आप देखिए, उसको डिलीट कर दीजिए। आप दिन में 50 बार PDF बनाइए, 100 बार डिलीट करिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। But don't keep all the PDFs. Yes, Poonam ji, Mohit, हाँ, Poonam Nanda को unmute कर दो।
Second. Yeah.
और give them the authority, वो कैसे होता है, so that they can unmute
themselves. Ma'am has the option to unmute themselves.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Mohit. My question is, I had posted all my July projects in the app, and the total was 1,16,650, but the app was showing 97,169.
Okay, so may I know the club name?
It is Gurgaon South City.
Okay. So you are talking about all the projects and the events, or?
No, all the projects I had uploaded in July.
Okay, so we'll take care of it because I can see better. I can let you know better when I see the data actually. I think you can, by that time, you can just turn off the app and turn it on again so that it gets updated. Because as I said, maybe of internet issues, it must not have been updated. So you can take care of that by doing that as well.
Mohit, I did that once, but again the data showing was, and again I checked it, but the amount showing is much lesser than what our club has spent.
Have you checked the figures while putting in the data?
Yeah, Mohit, it would be really nice if you check it once
Okay,
at your end.
I think there will
It
be
is
an issue there.
Club Gurgaon, South City.
Okay.
Number one. Number two question, all my projects will go to the committees automatically, although we are filling committee wise also. So the list you were showing was committee wise, they will be added there automatically. We don't need to do that.
Automatically, yes. Poonam, automatically. Now, Shelly.
Thank you.
Shelly, unmute yourself and start talking.
Yeah.
Shelly is not there. I think we got bhag gaye log. Poonam Bhatnagar, please unmute yourself.
Yeah, ma'am, please unmute.
नेहा, आपका आज के बाद देखो।
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, नमस्कार। मोहित, हमारा क्वेश्चन ये है कि हम रोज ट्राई कर रहे हैं आईफोन से, उसमें सर्वर 500 एरर दिखा रहा है एंड आई एम नॉट एबल टू अपलोड पिक्चर्स। मेरी बात हुई आईफोन यूजर्स से, जो लोग अपलोड कर रहे हैं वो लोग कह रहे हैं पिक्चर्स नहीं अभी वो ले रहा है, पर मेरा तो दोनों ही नहीं ले रहा है। सर्वर एरर दिखा रहा है, सर्वर 500 एरर।
नहीं, मतलब आपके बिना पिक्चर के भी आपका प्रोजेक्ट
नहीं, सर्वर 500 एरर आ रहा है।
Okay, that's regarding the आप एक काम कीजिए, you just go from the website and sign in again. And मैंने जैसे पहले बताया था कि normally क्या होता है, between Android and iPhone, वो होता है that picture size of iPhones are much larger than Android. For example, if the size of a picture is 1 MB on Android, it's around 10 MB on iPhone. So that's the reason sometimes the picture doesn't get.
Mohit, so you are advising her to sign out and then sign in again.
So just to make sure ki she's logged in again.
That I have done. That I have tried many times. That has been done. That has been done.
Okay.
और दूसरा, can we put collages as well once it starts taking?
नहीं, पूनम आईफोन की तो पिक्चर भी नहीं ले रहा,
पिक्चर भी नहीं ले रहा। हाँ,
collages तो एंड्रॉइड में भी नहीं ले रहा। इवन अदरवाइज इतना छोटा सा पिक होता है, doesn't make sense if we try to put collage, everything is so blurred. पर मोहित प्लीज आंसर कि अगर उन्होंने साइन आउट करके साइन इन किया है तब भी नहीं ले रहा, तो हाउ टू एड्रेस दैट?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Even I have tried from iPad as well, from iPhone as well, but it's not taking it.
Yes, ma'am.
टोटली बैकएंड से कैसे करें बताइए फिर। ये तो
hello
Archie. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is indeed a fact that images were not being uploaded in the iPhone because of the same reason that Mohit told, and our team has implemented a way where we would be reducing the size of pictures so that iPhone users can also upload it. We were working on that until last Wednesday. So if after Wednesday after Wednesday this problem has been fixed. So like anyone who has tried after Wednesday and is still facing an issue for uploading pictures, please let
yesterday also I tried Mohit.
Ma'am,
project submit नहीं हो रहा ना?
हाँ, yesterday also I tried and it is showing the same server 500 error.
Details मयूर विहार कि वो sign out करके भी कैसे भी she is not able to submit project, वो नहीं ले रहा है, वो 500 error दिखा रहा है.
Yes, ma'am. I would like to answer the question, ma'am. Ma'am, 505 error is basically an error that shows when the server is not working, and that if that error is showing, that it should show to everyone. The basic concept is that कि अगर 505 error है app में, then it should be showing to everyone. But because it is showing specifically to ma'am, I can request her to do one thing. When you're opening the browser, please open a new private browser and please make sure you type the domain name properly. जो आप ऊपर लिखते हैं वेबसाइट का नाम iw301.com, आप प्लीज उस पे चेक कीजिए, क्योंकि 500 एरर अगर होता है देन सबको होना चाहिए, बट स्पेसिफिकली अगर आपको हो रहा है देन आप एक प्राइवेट ब्राउजर पे खोल के स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक जैसे ना हो iw301.com टाइप कीजिए, वो खुल जाएगा, क्योंकि आई एम स्टिल चेकिंग इट लाइव ऑन माय
सिस्टम। सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट, उनको वो सब कुछ खुलता है,
सब कुछ कर लिया,
जब वो
प्रोजेक्ट कर लिया,
पर
Okay,
सबमिट
okay.
बटन क्लिक करके
सबमिट
वो वहाँ पे
बटन,
error आता है।
यस सबमिट
Okay.
बटन दबाते ही एरर आता है।
Is it while without uploading the images also you're
हाँ,
saying?
yes, yes,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have tried
Okay,
both the
okay,
ways.
okay. Sorry,
Tried both.
ma'am. I misunderstood the question. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, when you're filling up the fields, जैसे हमने मोहित ने दिया केटी में, the 500 error तभी आएगा if there is something कोई भी ऐसे symbol हो या कुछ भी अगर ऐसे
नहीं,
add करो।
कुछ नहीं डाला।
हाँ, मैम
मैं आपको
yes, ma'am.
आपको भेज भी सकती हूँ उसकी।
अच्छा एक काम करते हैं पूनम जी, after
Yes,
this
ma'am,
you
please.
give me your password. I will
Okay.
share that with technical team and you give me the details of one of the projects.
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
me enter on your behalf and see whether
Yes.
they are.
मैम पासवर्ड देने की जरूरत नहीं है मैम you don't need to give the password, just give the details.
नहीं, मोहित आपसे कहीं नहीं चाहता, because I would want to make sure कि उस पासवर्ड के थ्रू आप तो बैकएंड में बिना पासवर्ड के भी कर सकते हैं।
नहीं मैम,
But let
that's
us
what
be
I'm saying.
sure.
Ma'am, I'm trying to solve the problem over here. If there's a genuine problem, we should solve that first. We don't need the password. Just give us the details. We will try from our end to upload in the same form. If it gets uploaded, then I'll let you know what the problem is when you are typing it. If it is a genuine problem,
Fair
then
enough.
we will fix that immediately. Yes,
Fair
ma'am. Please
enough.
share the-
Fair enough. Yes.
Yes. No need to share the password, ma'am.
Okay.
Please don't share your password to anyone, first of all.
Okay.
Just give us the details.
But yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me your phone number so that I could share it.
Ma'am, please share to
I'll
Urvashi.
give it
Please share
then,
to Urvashi, ma'am. Please share to
Okay.
Urvashi, ma'am.
Okay.
We'll be
Okay.
taking all genuine queries,
Yeah.
queries from her directly,
Yeah.
so that it is
And
easier for
then-
us to solve it.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for, there's another question of mine.
Yes.
The PDF that we export, we can take printout from that as well.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Definitely,
Okay.
ma'am. Definitely, ma'am.
Okay. ठीक है. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Urvashi ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. अरे, anyone else? Can I see any raise? अच्छा शैली तुम्हारा हो गया?
Yes ma'am, this is Shelly.
शैली तुम्हारा हो गया ना?
नहीं मैम, मेरे को अलाउ ही नहीं किया था अनम्यूट करना उस
अच्छा
टाइम
सॉरी, पहले शैली को ले लेते हैं। रश्मि पहले शैली को ले लेते हैं।
Okay, no problem.
शैली, yes, go ahead.
Yes. Actually, ma'am, the questions are revolving around. I have a doubt. Like, what is being questioned? Actually, ये सब errors हैं. Like, they are answers जो हमें मिल रहे हैं. They are not working out in the same way. Like, one is about the hours वाला तो चलो उन्होंने clarify कर दिया. मैंने chat box में डाला भी when it answered.
That is clarified. Yes.
Then it later on they clarified because वहाँ hours ही लिखा हुआ है, numeric figure ही जा रहा है सिर्फ. They are not allowing any alphabetical.
Exactly.
So late. And second thing is, ma'am, like even I was asking them, like PDF is being generated. That PDF, if I'm like, okay, if I want a merger, I can convert it into Word or something. So can they allow few more formats, like a Word format can be allowed to be exported? So उससे club को merging में और कुछ editing में easy रहेगा. In case
नहीं
like,
एक सेकंड, एक्चुअली 1 minute. My thing is, ये जो आपका ऐप है, आप इसी पे सब कुछ ठीक प्रोजेक्ट डालो ना, आपको बाद में वर्ड फाइल के थ्रू वहां पे एडिट क्यों करना है?
नहीं मैम, मर्ज करने के लिए, फाइल मर्जिंग के लिए. It is about the merging.
Let us all understand this app is not huge enough like Facebook or Instagram or other. This is an app which is made specially. It will not give us so much of advantage to move around freely. इसके limitations हैं. This app has its limitations. आपको जो भी edit करना है, जो भी करना है, आप app में करिए. We cannot like you know.
Ma'am,
like
if I say about my case, like I added all my July projects first, and even August also I am uploading. Like for August, I don't have any problem because after update, whatever I added, none of the project I could find that there's a problem. But earlier, what happened? I added on the project, and
Ranjuji, please put yourself on mute. Yes.
Many of them I could not find. Maybe that was due to update that the data was lost, or I don't know what happened. But because that was in the beginning, because at the first shot I could log in and I could enter all the details. There was a confusion. There was only a confusion. I have just 2 questions. मैम एडिटिंग में अभी पहले सपोर्ट करवा दीजिए, बिकॉज एडिटिंग अभी अगर हम एडिट करते हैं तो एडिटिंग में पिक्चर एडिटिंग भी अभी आप अपडेट कराएंगे, बिकॉज पिक्चर एडिटिंग तो आपने बोल ही दिया है कि वो.
एक्सक्यूज मी उर्वशी,
ये दिस इज गेटिंग टू लॉन्ग. आई नो आवर डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन इज बिजी.
आप कैरी ऑन करिए, मैं बस निकलना है, आप कैरी ऑन कीजिए.
हाँ तो अनीता जी पहले आप हमारे से कुछ, we would like to hear something from you. You can't go like this. और एक सेकंड, मोहित एंड आर्ची, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर. आपका 15 मिनट और लेंगे, पर हमारे अनीता जी आप 5 मिनट दे दो प्लीज. हमारे कुछ प्रेसिडेंट सेक्रेटरी की जोड़ी ने इतनी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंसेस तैयार करी हैं 30 सेकंड की. प्लीज अलाउ अस. मोहित, कैन आई फॉरवर्डेड ऑल द वीडियोस टू यू, प्लीज प्ले देम वन बाय वन. छोटी छोटी वीडियोस हैं. मोहित, कैन आई हैव इट फ्रॉम यू? उसके बाद
बादलों की छाँव में, न चांदनी के गाँव में, न फूल जैसे रास्ते बने हैं इसके वास्ते.
ये तेरा घर, ये मेरा घर, ये घर बहुत हसीन है, ये घर बहुत हसीन है.
ये इनर व्हील का घर दिखा रहे हैं.
लवली. हस्बैंड वाइफ है तो घर तो होना ही है
ना. ये हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हाउस क्लब का घर. Bas, one more, last, and then we can. So these were such Haseen Ghar. Thank you, Anita, for sparing your precious time. Would love to hear your observation, yes, and motivation.
Thank you
for all of us.
Urvashi, it's a beautiful, beautiful house. Urvashi, Veena, Bhushan, Rashmi, Anita, Neelam, Alka, Indu. Wow, beautiful house. Dear District Secretary Urvashi Mittal and club presidents and club secretaries, a very warm good afternoon ho gayi ab to. Thank you so much Urvashi, सच में बहुत सुंदर घर था. और पता नहीं मैं जल्दी सेंटी हो जाती हूँ या तुमने इतना इमोशनल कर दिया मुझे. I love you so much. इतनी सुंदर पिक्चर्स, कलेक्शंस, वीडियोस सब रखा हुआ है संभाल के. देख लो. Thank you, love you. Friends, our district secretary organized today's webinar to explain the functioning of the app. And I hope that now it has become easy for you all. Urvashi dear, you have worked really hard on this app. Kab se lagi hui hai, I know. To make it easier for the secretaries. Congratulations, Urvashi. I always say you are creative and hardworking executive. And friends, you know, when I was the district editor, Urvashi was the club president. तब से हम इसे मिस क्रिएटिव बोलते हैं. और ये है. पता नहीं कहाँ से ढूंढ के लाती है आइडियाज. And I'm sure कि आगे भी कुछ भी डाउट होगा तो उर्वशी है आपको गाइड करने के लिए. मोहित जी हैं. तो प्लीज डोंट वरी अबाउट दिस ऐप. आराम से करिए, हो जाएगा. एंड कोई प्रॉब्लम आनी नहीं चाहिए. थैंक यू सो मच टू दिस सेशन. It was lovely seeing you all Thank you so much, Urvashi and dear one. Love you.
Anita ji, thank you.
Sorry, मुझे जाना पड़ रहा है.
No, I can understand. Thank you for sparing your precious time. I can understand the pressure and I can feel the pressure on DC. But yes, we, our secretary team would have loved to have you. ये वाला time तो पूरा technical team ने लिया, तो हमें आपका time फिर जल्दी चाहिएगा.
And congratulations, Urvashi, 100% हो गया.
अरे congratulations.
तभी मैं बार-बार से अपने आप को
you were putting yourself on mute. Yeah, अच्छा. Thank you. Congratulations.
To carry on. See you soon.
Once again.
Love you. And see, कल आ रहे हो ना उर्वशी?
हाँ बिल्कुल. अच्छा कल.
Okay. चलो we'll talk. Okay then. See you.
And Anita ji, thank you once again. Yeah.
Love you all.
Same here. Bye. Hello friends. We are here. People have started leaving. That's okay. देखा अनीता जी के साथ ही आप. We are 64 of us here. आप हमको Zoom वाले स्क्रीन पे कर दीजिए. अब आप लोग मोहित एंड आर्ची, थैंक यू. अब आप लोगों के क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है? प्रीति पहले. अच्छा, और अब प्रीति को अनम्यूट हो गया. रश्मि प्रीति के बाद. That's okay.
Ma'am, actually I need to go for my school. Kids, please. First of all, congratulations to everyone for this beautiful app. And my question is, see, I put my number, like my mobile number, first of all, my number, then I don't know automatically where it got connected, and my password, I forgot my password. मतलब पहले तो वो ऐप उसको ले नहीं रहा था नंबर को, बट सडनली वो मैंने प्रेस करती चली गई तो उसको उसने एक्सेप्ट कब किया पासवर्ड को मुझे पता नहीं चला.
प्रीति आपकी डिटेल भी फिर दे देंगे. अभी जो क्लब्स की डिटेल और देनी है, they will do it from the back end.
Ma'am, my question please. Then what I did, I did with another number, phone number.
Okay.
तो उसके अंदर मैंने अपने हस्बैंड का नंबर यूज कर लिया. ठीक है, तो I put my projects. I have now put almost half of the project, half of are the left. So now I got to know कि retrieve हो सकता है password. So I would like to retrieve it with do it with my personal number again. तो my question is कि अगर मैं उसको दोबारा से अपने नंबर से करती हूँ तो मुझे क्या वो सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स चीजें दोबारा से करनी पड़ेगी या कोई तरीका है कि वो इंटरकनेक्ट हो जाएगा नंबर विद माय नेम क्लब?
मोहित.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Yes. So your question, I completely understood it. The basic question first I would like to ask is the both numbers that you signed up with. Did you sign up with both as the same club or different clubs?
Same club.
Yes. So there is no issue on the information that you would be seeing on the home screen because clubs are seeing on the dashboard with respect to their clubs only. So even if you add 2 to 3 more numbers and like anyone apart from you is from your club is signing up on that app with a different number, they can add projects and events, and the information that you'll be seeing on the dashboard, if they are from the same club, it will be reflected on the dashboard. Okay, ma'am. But if the admin wants to know who has uploaded it, only the admin can check who's the person who has uploaded it with the number. As of now, the club members won't be differentiating who has uploaded with the person's number.
Archie, you mean if we just have to use the same password? More
no, ma'am.
More numbers.
No, ma'am. What
because
I'm trying to say
not
is,
understood how can you sign with 2 numbers? Like, you know, आप दोबारा बताइए. Sorry, I haven't understood.
मैं example दे देता हूँ. Let's say a club has 2 secretaries. Let's say for example, एक club में 2 secretary हैं.
नहीं, प्रेसिडेंट सेक्रेटरी हैं. 2 सेक्रेटरी नहीं हो सकती. प्रेसिडेंट सेक्रेटरी करके बता दीजिए. हम अपना गलत नहीं बोलेंगे. Let's say president secretary both want to operate.
Okay. Let's say a club has a president and secretary, and both of them want to enter details. So a president, while signing up, will sign up with their number, but with the same club. Let's say it is club A, and the secretary will also sign up with a different number, but with the same club, that is club A. So any one of them can add projects or add events.
And they can have different passwords also.
Of course, ma'am. They will be adding via their own numbers.
Okay.
So club wise cumulate होके एक ही आएगा. What ma'am was asking कि उनके नाम के अंदर आएगा कि नहीं? तो the answer to that is जो भी projects और events आ रहा है वो club के नाम के अंदर पे आ रहा है, किसी individual के अंदर पे नहीं आ रहा है. तो देयर इज नो इशू एज ऑफ कि आपके अंडर पे आएगा या नहीं आएगा, वो क्लब
In
के
fact,
अंडर आएगा.
Archie, in fact, even I was under this confusion. I thought only one person can sign up. Now
No,
that
no,
you are
no,
saying
no.
multiple person can sign up, but if they
Yes.
take the same club.
But just for information, we are storing हमारे backend पे we are storing information who is adding, just in case for any security reasons or anything we want to know कि who has added this.
Anyway, ऐसा होगा.
Admin को अगर चाहिए होगा तो we will provide it कि which number has added, कोई गलती से किसी ने अगर add कर दिया होगा तो but we are not showing.
आर्ची, अभी आप क्या बोल रहे हैं? ऐसे तो कोई भी गेस्ट देखेगा, they will try to sign up, कोई भी क्लब ले लेगा. What are you doing?
No ma'am, no ma'am, they can sign up. Ma'am, they can sign up, but ma'am, the admin is going to first approve it.
Sorry,
Okay.
I forgot. I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
that approval here. Yes.
Yes, we have given.
Anyone can sign up, but they will not be approved.
Yes,
So
yes.
I understand. I'm not going to approve. Yes, it's only for the secretaries to fill up,
And
because if any cook
yes.
spoil the scoop.
One more thing, ma'am, I would like to answer. I think one of your secretaries asked it कि उन्होंने add किया था amount पर वो reflect नहीं किया था, कम reflect कर रहा था. We just checked that immediately. There has been a special character while entering the number amount. मतलब 9,500 या 95,000 की जगह पे 95,000 है. तो she can
Poonam,
open.
are you here? Poonam Nanda? He's answering your question. Gurgaon South City. I think she's left. Okay, thank you,
Yes,
Archie.
yes.
Very valuable tip.
Ma'am,
Because
like she can
normally put in a comma and put 2,000. Yeah, got
किसी
it.
एडिशन पे अगर गलत हो रहा है या कुछ भी हो रहा है, द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट इज मैम कि अगर कैलकुलेशन पे गलत हो रहा है तो इसका मतलब सबके लिए होना चाहिए, बट अगर किसी पर्टिकुलर का हो रहा है इसका मतलब सम इनपुट में कुछ गलती हुआ होगा. गेटिंग इट मैम? ऐप तो सबके लिए सेम ही है ना मैम? यस मैम. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन?
Acha, Archie, someone was asking that supposing they download through on Android, they have started filling up their data. Then they're out somewhere, they remember their password, and that time they happen to have the iPhone of daughters. But as long as they put in the same number and the same passcode, they can enter and start filling up data again. Na? It's not necessary कि आपने Android पे इस पे download किया है.
No.
कहीं पर भी. So friends, this app is very friendly. आपके पास कोई भी सेल हो, once it's downloaded, आपको वो नंबर याद है, आपको वो पासकोड याद है, तो बस you can start filling up. That's absolutely no hassle at all. अब रश्मि आपका क्या? हाँ.
We have just one second ma'am. I would like to reiterate that we have enabled auto login. So आप एक बार login करने के बाद it will stay logged in. You don't need to enter the login again and again.
Yes, you will stay logged in. Yes, आपको खाली खोलना है. कोई भी फोन हो, Android, iPhone, doesn't matter at all. Once you are signed in, आप अंदर ही हैं till you sign out. हाँ, रश्मि आपका?
एक when I export my report, like जब भी report होती है, project report हो या event हो, उसमें आता रहता है ऊपर please wait and keep waiting, पर उसमें कुछ होता नहीं, जैसे वो घूमता रहता है and हो नहीं रहा.
वो कल हमारा भी आ रहा था. It was saying please wait. हमने 10.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am, please wait वाला अगर आता है तो मैम that won't be taking much longer मैम. वो कभी-कभी when we are having some maintenance work या something late night पे normally हम लोग उसको maintain करते हैं तो होता होगा. But I have just checked it. There is no such issue as of now. If it is happening again and
I
again,
just checked it while talking, while this session was going on. Again, I tried to do it because before writing, I had to know whether
Yes,
I'm
I'll
writing
tell
the
you,
right thing or
Archie.
not.
See, I have both the phones. हमने इसीलिए Android लिया so that I can be checking up.
Even I was checking.
So Android में exporting of PDF is no hassle at all. iPhone में वो problem आती है, वो को इतना easy नहीं हो. iPhone में problem आ रही है. Archie, she's right. अभी उसने she just said. So please look into it. We will again discuss and I'll give you the list of problems.
एक और चीज मुझे उर्वशी जी पूछनी थी कि जैसे मैं समझ ना पा रही हूँ, मेरे को शायद नॉलेज नहीं है इसकी. जैसे आईफोन का चलो ना पिक्चर्स बताया, it takes more space while you are sending, तो कई बार दिक्कत आती है. Now he's saying that most probably it will be solved. It has been solved. So let me do it today.
रश्मि अभी बिना पिक्स के सबमिट करो.
नहीं, वो मैं आपसे एक और चीज इनसे समझना चाहती हूँ. इन जनरल की हमको अब नॉलेज होनी चाहिए कि सपोज क्या इसमें फर्क पड़ता है. सपोज मैं किसी एंड्रॉइड से किसी ने मेरे क्लब में फोन पिक्चर्स ले ली और मुझे सेंड कर दी और मैं उन सेव पिक्चर्स को अपलोड करूं, तो उसमें क्या वो आईफोन की पिक्चर्स मानी जाती हैं, एंड्रॉइड की पिक्चर्स मानी जाती हैं?
Very valid question.
मैम इट इज एक्चुअली नॉर्मल एंड्रॉइड का पिक्चर ही है वो. आईफोन से अगर आप क्लिक करते हैं या फिर आईफोन से डायरेक्ट आप कुछ लेते हैं तो नॉर्मली साइज बड़ा होता है. बट मैम बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम, देन वी आर वर्किंग ऑन अ स्मॉल अपडेट वेरिन आप एंड्रॉइड से करो या फिर आईफोन पे करो, हम उसको while taking it to the server हम उसको diminish कर देंगे so that कि आपका पिक्चर अपलोड हो जाए. So probably in a couple of days that will be fixed and you can start uploading pictures.
ठीक है, तो आईफोन की पिक्स में भी टाइम लगेगा. टिल देन यू कैन कंटिन्यू अपलोडिंग योर प्रोजेक्ट्स. उसमें डिले मत करना बिकॉज़
बस मेरे को एक्सपोर्ट का थोड़ा सा देख लीजिएगा बस.
एक्सपोर्ट पे वो देख
Yes,
लेंगे. आप
yes.
with me also and she checked right now. So basically anyone else, किसी के और क्वेश्चंस हैं तो अभी. हाँ पूनम, यस वन सेकंड. या पूनम अपने आप को अनम्यूट करो. पूनम अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
And me, what about me?
She is not able to unmute. Mohit, Poonam Nanda is not able to unmute. I can see her on the screen. She is on mute and she is saying वो अपने आप को unmute नहीं कर पा रही.
कुछ मेरी बात करा दीजिए इतने.
It is saying that her host will unmute.
अंजू कुछ बताइए.
Even I have a question.
Mohit, what do I do now to correct the total? As the total is still showing.
आप माई प्रोजेक्ट पर जाओ, उसको एडिट करो, वहां से कॉमा हटा के उसका अमाउंट फिर डालो.
Okay.
आपने जो अमाउंट डाला उसमें कॉमा आ रहा है ना, so edit that field. You go to my projects and edit the fields. Maybe there are certain fields in a number of projects. आप वो करके फिर देखो. Then we will again get effective. Achla, let's have it from Achla ji. Yes.
I want to ask one question. This app we can have only on mobile phones or we can also have on our laptops?
Laptop, computer, everywhere. Mohit, I want it to come from you.
Ma'am, it is available in any platform that you're using. You can use Windows, iPad, iPhones, Android devices, and
Okay.
it will work in anything.
Okay. And secondly, Urvashi ji, I want to ask, can we have a recording of this program?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल अचला जी दी जाएगी.
Because हमारी जो secretary, our secretary is not very computer savvy. So I think she would be needing revision. हमारे बहुत सारे members हैं जो computer savvy नहीं हैं.
But you know what? As such, I'm not meeting anyone, but I would love to sit with those who are not able to do it on their own. क्योंकि ये कुछ भी नहीं है. जब मोहित explain कर रहा था ना, लग रहा था कितना ज़्यादा.
I can understand.
Simple. तो आपको recording भी मिलेगी. Yes.
क्योंकि because the volume is so much, to retain everything is very difficult for people who are not very. I can do it. But I don't know whether she'll be able to do it or not.
No, the tech team will give us a YouTube link that will be passed on. You can see it, and if you forget anything, yes, Usha.
सपोज एग्जांपल मैं आपको देता हूँ, फेलिसिटेशन ऑफ डॉक्टर्स आपने 4 बार टाइप कर दिया है, तो आप FELIC टाइप करोगे तो ओनली वो आपको शो कर डॉक्टर्स कि आपके कितने बार आपने अपलोड किया है. So you can get a better idea कि आपने 2 बार किया है या 3 बार किया है, 1 बार किया है.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Mohit.
वैसे you know what friends, it normally happens all across. It depends on our signal speed. अगर कई बार इंटरनेट कनेक्शन गड़बड़ होता है तो wherever whatever you submit it does not show up immediately. तो आप कुछ भी सबमिट करते हैं. वैसे तो यहाँ पे ये बताता है आपका प्रोजेक्ट सबमिटेड सक्सेसफुली. ये तो वेट लाइक यू नो हम अपना ईमेल भेजते हैं, उसको रिफ्रेश करना पड़ता है. अदरवाइज ईमेल हम कहते हैं भेज दिया, दूसरा कहता है वी हैवंट रिसीव्ड. उसको रिफ्रेश करते हैं बार-बार फोन को, तब ईमेल भी रिसीव होता है. तो लेट्स बी पेशेंट, लेट्स बी द सेम वे. हाँ यस
समथिंग.
हाँ कौमुदी, यस प्लीज कौमुदी जी.
जी नमस्कार उर्वशी जी.
नमस्कार जी.
मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि इधर आई हैव मिस्ड और आई डोंट नो कि इन्होंने कहा कि 2 लोग कर सकते हैं लॉगिन. तो मैंने जब लॉगिन करना चाहा तो मेरा तो वो रॉन्ग फोन नंबर और पासवर्ड बता रहे थे. So why?
आप यहाँ पे कई बार आता है रॉन्ग फोन नंबर या रॉन्ग पासवर्ड, ऐसी चीजें हैं. तो रॉन्ग फोन नंबर कैसे आ सकता है? पासवर्ड तो ठीक है, if she's forgotten तो it's showing wrong password. Wrong phone number. Archie and Mohit, are you both listening to me? In fact, even I was under impression कि हमने इस ऐप में secretaries के number are pre-fed. So only the secretaries are able to log in. और अगर कोई
it is not pre-fed.
Archie, let me complete. And if someone would call me up and say कि उनका wrong phone number दिखा रहा है, तो हम उनसे कहते थे आपने फोन नंबर गलत एंटर कर रहे होंगे आप. It's only today that even I got to know कि उसमें आपने अंदर कोई फोन नंबर नहीं डाला है. हमें लग रहा था कि it's only the secretaries numbers which are already saved, तो only secretaries can log in through their number. तो ये wrong phone number क्यों बोलता है फिर ऐप? I mean this
No,
is a
ma'am, it is not pre-fed, ma'am. That is the basic concept is a secretary signs up. The signing up करने के बाद वो जाता है administrator के पास approve करने के लिए. Approve होने के बाद he can sign in. This is the step that we have implemented, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So wrong phone number. Then there must be wrong. कभी-कभी मैम 9 की जगह 8 अगर दब गया होगा तो wrong phone number हो सकता है. So what we can do for now is you please send us the details of the entire details of ma'am who has signed up जिनका wrong phone number.
Such clubs. Okay.
Yes.
Kaumudi ji, I'll send details of Greater Kailash. Yes.
And that
How
is why
many
I was
times I could type wrong phone number?
नहीं, that's okay. But anyway, let them do it at the back end. I'll do that.
Urushi, now me.
वो हाँ मंजू सूद जी, yes.
हेलो हेलो एवरीवन. मेरे वैसे क्वेश्चंस के कई आंसर्स तो हो ही चुके हैं. वन इज कि मैंने आई लॉग्ड इन सो मेनी टाइम्स, एवरी टाइम माय मोबाइल नंबर वाज ऑलवेज करेक्ट, बट इट सेड मोबाइल नंबर इनकरेक्ट और पासवर्ड इनकरेक्ट. करते 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 एक बार जाके हो गया लॉगिन.
अरे वाह.
अब उस ना 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 पर उसके बाद वो पासवर्ड के बाद हाँ इतनी टायर्ड हो गई, मैंने कहा चलो 2 दिन बाद काम करूंगी. व्हेन नेक्स्ट आफ्टर 2-3 डेज मैंने ट्राइड इट, वो कहता है कि पासवर्ड हम भूल गए. अब हम भूल गए तो इट सेज कि या तो ट्राई इट फ्रॉम अनदर नंबर, यू आर ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर्ड देयर. ना हाउ टू प्रोसीड फर्दर?
मंजू जी आपका डिटेल्स भी देन आई विल पास इट ऑन टू देम. लेट्स हैव इट सॉर्टेड आउट नाउ.
एंड one thing more कि collages, you know, collages can't be put there. I just now I came to know that it can't be. लेकिन आजकल हम लोग फिजिकली तो कुछ अटेंड नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम लोग वर्चुअली कर रहे हैं. कोई अपने मंजू जी आप हमें बताइए, जब हम अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट को भी जब नॉर्मली अभी पिछले साल तक जब हम अपनी रिपोर्ट भेजते थे तो एक्सेल शीट में या जो भी उसमें फोटोज तो उसमें भी नहीं आते थे. बेसिकली जो पिक्स होते हैं वो हम लोगों के लिए होते हैं, हम सीओबी में दिखाते हैं, इंस्टॉलेशन में, फेसबुक पे डालते हैं, ग्रुप में डालते हैं. बट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रोजेक्ट क्यूमुलेटिव ऑन कॉन्फ्रेंस एंड द ईयरली रिपोर्ट, पिक्स तो उसमें भी नहीं जाती मंजू जी. जो क्लब्स अपने प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट भेजते हैं, लाइक यू नो दे सेंड द कंक्रीट वर्क, नंबर ऑफ बेनिफिशियरीज एंड एवरीथिंग, तो फोटो जा रहे नहीं जा रहे, लेट्स नॉट बॉदर अबाउट दैट. आई अंडरस्टैंड. लेकिन कोलैजेस बहुत हैवी हो जाते हैं. कोलैजेस तो जाएंगे ही नहीं, हमें सिंगल फोटो ही रखना है. तो किसी आपके पास मेंबर्स हैं, एक फोटो में एक मेंबर का डाल दीजिए, दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट में दूसरे का डाल दीजिए. पूरे साल है, सबका साथ सबका विकास. मोदी जी सबको मोदी जी बनने की प्रेरणा दे रहे हैं. सबको खुश रखिए, एक का बड़ा सा दिखाइए अपने बैनर के साथ.
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन आपसे.
मंजू जी, उर्वशी जी.
Yes, Manju Bogra ji, yes.
I just wanted to ask about the Zoom meetings amount. Like all the assembly, everything is free for us, no?
Yeah.
We don't pay for it. So then we just write 0, I guess.
You just write 0. Yeah, but then again you have to write
1,000 बताया ना?
Digit 0 because हम ZERO it will not understand. Because
no, I know. You have to write the
yes. Yes.
That's very good. Thanks.
My one question to you.
Yes, Kaumudi ji.
मैं ये पूछना चाह रही हूँ कि जैसे हमारा फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट है, फिजियोथेरेपी का हमने रूम बनाया, उसमें पूछते हैं कि हम बेनिफिशियरीज, we don't know how many people will come.
Kaumudi ji, that is a question we will discuss with the district chairman and I'll tell you after this. ये टैग टीम का नहीं है, वो हमारा अपना इनर व्हील का है. अगर हमारी उस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड के बारे में कुछ क्वेश्चन है तो let me go across the.
Urvashi ji, let me. This is Reena Gupta from Shanti.
हाँ प्लीज. अरे रीना जी भाई, ये हमारी फर्स्ट लेडी थी लास्ट ईयर. रीना congratulations, she's president. She's revived the club. Congratulations. So हाँ बताइए.
Thank you so much. I just wanted to know, जैसे आप secretaries को ये app वो करने के लिए कह रहे हैं register, तो do you want or do you welcome presidents and treasurer to sign up also, or do you really want only the secretaries to do it?
नहीं Reena, frankly speaking, too many cookies spoil the soup. So while Archie and Mohita are saying that, but frankly speaking, let the signing be only through one person. Supposing your club secretary is not tech savvy or she is a businesswoman, she does something else, then you decide for one name amongst your club executive, let her keep putting in the projects and all of you see it as guest. Like, you know, as guest, you keep visiting this app and if you find something is wrong, because guest can go to any club and see all the things. guests cannot edit or delete or enter, but everyone should not be allowed to enter. So I would still request, this is primarily the duty of secretary to put in everything in place. She must be the one entering, and there should be no one else from the club who should sign in. Why sign in? Just visit as guest, see the work of your club, and each and every single person in the club should be able to see the work done by club. So once we've come to the level that the secretaries can showcase it to the club, I'm dying for that moment when we can refer it to others. I want it to be referred to the whole world, and that has to be done with president and secretary combined. आप देखिए जब भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन किसी डिटेल डाल दी, आपको और कोई रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं करना. वी कैन गो वर्चुअल, वी विल गो पेपरलेस. हमें पेपरलेस जाना चाहिए. इससे आप 15 बार पीडीएफ जनरेट करिए, अपना चीज देखिए, सब कमेटी के अंदर देखिए. आपको बस एक बार एंटर करना है, देन इट विल गो टू कमिटीज. शायद इनके पास में कुछ आर्ची कुछ I would have loved कि आईफोन वाले भी ऐप स्टोर के थ्रू इसको डाउनलोड करते. आईफोन्स के लिए लिंक है, आईफोन्स वालों को हर बार लिंक पे क्लिक करना पड़ेगा. इट डज नॉट ऑक्यूपाई एनी प्लेस ऑन योर क्लब. फोन खो जाए, गिर जाए, पानी में चला जाए, योर डेटा इज इंटैक्ट. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारा कंप्यूटर डिस्क क्रैश हो गई तो हमारा डेटा चला गया. दिस इज देयर, इट्स स्टोर्ड. आप कोई भी आप अगली बार नया खरीदेंगे, उसको इंस्टॉल करके आपका डेटा उसमें रिकवर हो जाएगा. तो दिस इज वेरी फ्रेंडली. कोई पेपर नहीं, कुछ नहीं. आपको डिस्ट्रिक्ट से इफ आई आस्क यू लाइक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाटएवर डेटा यू पुट इन, आपने इसमें डेटा डाला, वो ऑटोमेटिकली हमारे और अनीता जी के पास आ गया. सपोजिंग ऑन कॉन्फ्रेंस वी आस्क ऑल ऑफ यू टू सबमिट योर रिपोर्ट, आप इससे पीडीएफ जनरेट करिए और हमें भेज दीजिए. यू जनरेट पीडीएफ एंड ईमेल दैट टू अस और सेंड इट ऑन व्हाट्सएप. आप उसको ईमेल करिए, व्हाट्सएप करिए. दैट्स लाइक यू कैन डू एनीथिंग. आपको पेपर पे कुछ भी प्रोजेक्ट लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है और इसका डर नहीं है. नॉर्मली हम लोग अकाउंट्स में कहते हैं भैया फीडबैक रख लेना, हार्ड कॉपी रख लेना, वर्चुअल कर रहे हो सब कुछ, तुम्हारा फोन क्रैश हो गया तो क्या हो गया. पर थैंक यू मोहित एंड आर्ची, दे मेड इट सो ब्यूटीफुली. अगर आपका फोन क्रैश होता है, कुछ गड़बड़ होता है, योर डेटा डजंट गेट लॉस्ट, इट्स देयर. आप नया हैंडसेट खरीदेंगे, डाउनलोड खरीदेंगे, आपके क्लब का पूरा डेटा निकल आएगा. While I say that, Mohit and Archie, you back me up now?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, definitely. And one more thing I would like to add to your, ma'am, to everyone who is present over here in the meeting. Ma'am, adding to Urvashi's vision, we also like in future, once you start using it, the secretaries can analyze in which committee they're spending funds, in which committee they are like spending more times and hours, so that they can plan accordingly for the whole year. The main apart from sending PDFs and everything, they can have the bigger picture over here is your data can be analyzed as per your requirements to see where you are spending your funds and where you can opt to limit it. So that this is the new technology. As and when days pass, you can plan more in a better way how to be financially more in a disciplined way, where you want to spend, where you don't want to spend, so that the clubs can grow in a better way.
Now friends, अगर अब आपके क्वेश्चन कुछ इस ऐप को लेकर हैं तो we can ask Mohit and Archie to clarify, to throw light on that. अगर जनरल हमारे सेक्रेटरी वाले क्वेश्चन है, then I would not like them to like unnecessarily be stuck here with us. सविता कुछ पूछना है ऐप के, पूछना है तो पूछिए. सेक्रेटरी वाले क्वेश्चन we can take up later. I will attend Mohit. या किसका कौन है ये?
सविता.
हाँ सविता, yes.
मोहित, आप मुझे ये बता सकते हैं कि अगर इसमें हमें मंथ वाइज प्रोजेक्ट पे हम लोग निकाल सकते हैं पीडीएफ, या इट विल कम फॉर 2 months और 3 months?
नहीं कविता, वो सविता आप एक दिन के भी निकाल सकते हैं. स्टार्ट डेट टू एंड डेट आप सेम डेट भर दीजिए. लेकिन जब आपको पीडीएफ निकालना है, आपको वो डेट, आपको टाइम पीरियड सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. ऊपर ऑप्शन देता है एक्सपोर्ट के ऊपर.
मैम one second ma'am. Ma'am, the time slot is for only favorite projects. आप जब डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं, अगर आपका कोई फेवरेट प्रोजेक्ट या फिर बेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट का आप निकालना चाहते हो, तभी आप टाइम स्लॉट दे सकते हो. अगर आप टाइम स्लॉट वाइज उन सारे इवेंट्स और प्रोजेक्ट्स को डाउनलोड करना चाहते हो, तो वो प्रोविजनिंग अभी नहीं है. तो दैट प्रोविजन इज ओनली देयर फॉर द एडमिन्स. It is not for the club members. Sorry, आर्ची क्लब्स के लिए कौन
My question is, if I want my report just for the month of July, since I have uploaded the project for the month of August also, if I want to see only my report only for the month of July, can I make a PDF for that or I can't?
You can now.
You cannot do only for month wise. आप नहीं कर सकते आप मंथ वाइज करने के लिए आपको उसको फेवरेट्स पे ऐड करना पड़ेगा मैम. द मीनिंग इज आपका सारा इवेंट्स एक साथ हो जाएगा, सारा प्रोजेक्ट्स एक साथ हो जाएगा. अगर आपको कुछ डेट सिलेक्ट करना है तो वो फेवरेट्स में ही जाता है. तो वन थिंग ओवर हियर इज कि मैम आप व्हाट यू कैन डू ओवर हियर, यू कैन आफ्टर एडिंग योर प्रोजेक्ट यू कैन मार्क इट एज फेवरेट. तो आप सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स का फेवरेट मार्क कर दो. अगर मंथ वाइज आपको डाउनलोड करना है देन आप फेवरेट्स पे जाके डेट डाल के आप मंथ वाइज कर सकते हो.
सॉरी आर्ची, ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग हो रहा है. मतलब क्लब्स अपनी मर्जी से एक महीने का प्रोजेक्ट नहीं देख सकते पीडीएफ में? हम देख सकते हैं ना?
देख सकते हैं मतलब देख सकते हैं, डाउनलोड नहीं हो सकता. डाउनलोड करने पे सारा हो जाएगा.
डाउनलोड मतलब वो पीडीएफ नहीं बना सकते?
मंथ वाइज नहीं होगा मैम, वो एक साथ होगा. जितने भी प्रोजेक्ट्स उन्होंने डाला हुआ है सारा आ जाएगा एक साथ.
तो आप एक साथ से बात कर रहे हैं ना, जितने भी प्रोजेक्ट एक महीने का पूरा काम.
सपोज अभी हमने नहीं हो रहा वो, क्योंकि मैंने कोशिश करी थी जब हमारा अभी जीबीएम हुआ था तो आई ट्राइड टू शो जुलाई.
ये आर्ची क्यों नहीं हो रहा क्लब के लिए?
मैम ये सारा हो रहा है. जैसे मैम आप जुलाई 31 में एक किए और एक अगस्त 1 को किए, तो आप अगर डाउनलोड करोगे तो जुलाई 31 का और अगस्त 1 का दोनों डेट्स का आ जाएगा मैम. गेटिंग इट मैम? मैम पूछ रही है कि उनको बस जुलाई का चाहिए और बस अगस्त का चाहिए, तो ये फीचर हमने बस एडमिन को दिया है मंथ वाइज.
अभी भी आई थिंक आई डोंट नो मे बी व्हाई हमारा तो वेल बुद्धि समझ नहीं आ रहा. आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट इट.
नहीं, मैं बताती हूँ ऋषि जी. जैसे हमारा हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, जीबीएम टू जीबीएम प्रोजेक्ट्स रीड करते हैं ना, सेक्रेटरी का यही काम है.
दैट इज द वे इट शुड बी.
यस, पर उसमें क्या है, अब एकदम 31 के बाद फर्स्ट को तो नहीं हो जाती जीबीएम. ऑब्वियसली इट विल बी फर्स्ट और द सेकंड वीक. तो जब मैंने कोशिश करी कि आई शुड नॉट राइट डाउन, आई शुड टेक इट फ्रॉम माय ऐप ओनली.
एग्जैक्टली.
हां, तो आई कुडंट टेक इट.
नहीं तो मतलब तो वो तो आर्ची, पर ये तो एक प्रॉब्लम है क्लब्स, बिकॉज़ क्लब्स रीड आउट देयर प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑन एवरी जीबीएम.
यस.
सो
मैम actually the thing is कि when we were given the brief it was to download the events. So उसमें क्या हुआ ना मैम, we gave the option कि एक साथ सारा events डाउनलोड हो जाए और एक साथ सारा अभी डाउनलोड हो रहा है बट एक साथ सारे मंथ का एक साथ हो जा रहा है. गेटिंग इट मैम? तो मंथ वाइज डाउनलोड करना बस अभी एडमिन को प्रोविजन दिया गया है, वो हम लोग क्लब्स को दे देंगे. आप नेक्स्ट अपडेट का वेट कीजिए, हम उस पे दे देंगे मैम. आप उर्वशी जी को ये बात बोल दीजिएगा, वो नोट डाउन करके.
दिस इज माय रिक्वेस्ट. आर्ची ने जिसके लिए भी बोला है कि दे दीजिए, प्लीज राइट इट डाउन, बिकॉज़ इवन दो आई एम मेकिंग नोट्स, यू नो, इट्स सो जंबल्ड अप. आई विल लाइक यू नो,
बिकॉज़ उसमें पूरा पेपर वर्क करना ही पड़ रहा है हमें. तो मैंने अभी जो अगस्त में जो जीबीएम हुआ हमारा, तो आई हैव टू राइट इट डाउन एज इट इज. पहले मैं उसको एंटर कर रही हूँ ऐप में. जब व्हेन आई ट्राइड इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल, देन अगेन आई मैनुअली आई राइट इट इन माय रजिस्टर एंड रेड इट आउट.
I mean, I'm really sorry, because this is what even I was thinking, because I am able to export. So I was thinking the same feature is given to clubs also. So this is very essential.
So then I have to add all the projects to the favorite. What Mohit is telling, I will have to add all the projects, since it is more than 20 to 25 projects a month. Obviously,
favorite in the sense you just have to click on that yellow, that gray button at the top. Yellow, then everything will be yellow, and do one thing after that again, make it a yellow. Just generate a PDF. You there you can keep clicking on that yellow dot.
Only then I can generate. So otherwise I have to make a list, write it down, then only I will be able to read it out in my GBM. That is the thing.
Mohit, Archie, as of now, the clubs can make PDF only once after the entire year. How
only once नहीं मैम, वो बार बार कर सकती है, बट हर बार सारा प्रोजेक्ट्स का आ जाएगा एक साथ.
Means month wise नहीं आ सकता, because we all need month wise actually.
It is the entire project and entire event का.
Because it will be very easier for us to work if it's month wise.
Right, Kubiji.
Okay, so this has to be done. तो ठीक है, the next.
उसको date wise कर देते हैं.
ये हो जाएगा ना आर्ची, because I have to give them a card.
Yes ma'am, we have given this for the admin, so we will include that for the clubs as well.
So please, जिसको आर्ची ने जो भी promise किया है, write it to me in a list, so that I'll give him everything in one list. You know, I mean, this will be difficult for him to remember. for him
Yeah.
to remember like this, I'll give him in our list.
Yeah, I'll
thank
give
you.
it to you in writing. Yeah, it's
So
a very
all the
genuine
people on
problem.
our secretary group. Ruby ji, yes.
I want to thank you and the team. It is very friendly app, and I don't know, in my case, I didn't have problem at all. You know, I could
Love
do
you
it
so
things
much. Hearing it
very
from
well.
someone,
I was
problem nahi hua. That's a
बिल्कुल,
breather.
I don't know about tomorrow.
नहीं
ऐसा
है,
Let me cross your finger.
Let me cross my fingers. I was so lucky कि मुझे मतलब not even one time मेरे को edit करना है या delete करना है, कुछ भी करना था. I could do it at once,
I'm
you know.
sure you made Archie and Mohit's day. Even they've been working hard on it.
मुझे भी problem
नहीं हुई.
It's very friendly
जब
app.
तक जिंदा है, problem तो है ही है.
वो तो आएगी. But it's
problem
very
से
friendly
निकलना
app.
है.
But it is a very friendly
उर्वशी
app.
जी,
This is the
मुझे भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई, मुझे भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई उर्वशी जी.
को problem नहीं आई.
Thank you, tech team.
Yeah.
Thank you, tech team. We are grateful.
मुझे भी बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई. स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा बारी में ही मेरा ऐड हो गया, एक बार में मेरी डाउनलोड हो गई.
मेरे को
मेरा स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आया.
आशिया आपका मैं डिटेल्स आज फिर दूंगी. तो लेट्स आशिया जी, मोगरा जी का. हाँ राज बताइए.
हाँ जी, मेरे साथ भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई, बट ये बेनिफिशियरी का था, वो बाद में देख लेंगे.
वो तो यहाँ पर हम बात करेंगे क्योंकि वो इनमें टैग टीम का
वो मैंने प्रॉब्लम्स थी मेरे में.
Thank you Urvashi. Thank you so much.
Thank you Urvashi ji. Thank you tech team.
उर्वशी जी.
I hope my problem
Thank you उर्वशी जी. Thank you. बड़ी नहीं आ रही.
अभी 1 मिनट. अरे पूनम जी कहाँ बाय बाय कर रही हो यार? अभी रुको. अच्छा पहले you all unmute yourself. Abhi, if it's okay, if we are done with the tech team, I'll thank you. I will just give them my thank you, and then they can go back to their whatever work. So thank you Mohit and Archie and Mohit. We would like to have this meeting for another half an hour or so. थोड़ा सा कुछ अपना secretary work. So is that okay?
Okay, ma'am. You can continue.
Thank you for being here.